The Keurig K Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee machine by Keurig is a versatile coffee maker that combines convenience with quality. With its elegant dark charcoal color and sleek design, this machine will complement any kitchen decor. Measuring at 14.17 inches in diameter, 17.32 inches in width, and 14.41 inches in height, it offers a compact yet efficient solution for your coffee needs. One of the standout features of this product is its programmable function, allowing you to customize your coffee experience to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a strong espresso or a creamy latte, the Keurig K Cafe can deliver with just the touch of a button. This level of customization sets it apart from traditional coffee makers, making it ideal for those who appreciate a personalized touch to their coffee routine. Furthermore, being an espresso machine, the Keurig K Cafe single-serve K-Cup coffee machine brings the cafe experience into your home. You can indulge in rich barista-quality coffee.
The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 870XL is a top-of-the-line product designed to meet the needs of coffee enthusiasts seeking cafe-quality espresso right at home. This espresso machine, finished in brushed stainless steel, stands out not just for its stylish appearance but also for its exceptional performance. With its compact design measuring 13.8 inches in diameter, 12.5 inches in width, and 15.9 inches in height, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine BES 870XL fits easily into any kitchen space without compromising on functionality. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance that blends seamlessly with modern kitchen appliances. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is its manual operation, which allows users to have precise control over the brewing process, resulting in a customized cup of espresso tailored to individual preferences. Whether you prefer a single or double shot, the Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine.
The Hamilton Beach 15 Bars Espresso Machine offers a professional-grade coffee experience in the comfort of your own home. With its sleek black design, this machine not only looks stylish, but also delivers excellent performance. The compact dimensions of 8.2 inches in diameter, 13 inches in width, and 12.31 inches in height make it suitable for various kitchen spaces. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is the built-in milk frother, allowing you to create creamy cappuccinos and lattes with ease. The frother produces rich velvety foam that enhances the overall coffee experience. Additionally, the removable tank makes it convenient to refill water without any hassle. The Hamilton Beach espresso machine operates at 15 bars of pressure, ensuring that your espresso is brewed to perfection with a rich and robust flavor profile. Whether you prefer traditional espresso, cappuccinos, mochas, or lattes, this versatile machine caters to all your coffee cravings.
The Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine is a sophisticated addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. This sleek silver machine from Mr. Coffee boasts dimensions of 8.86 inches in depth, 11.22 inches in width, and 12.6 inches in height, making it a compact yet powerful coffee-making companion. One of the standout features of this espresso and cappuccino machine is its programmable functionality, allowing users to set their preferred brewing times for a customized coffee experience. The built-in milk frother is a convenient addition for those who enjoy the creamy texture of cappuccinos and lattes, adding a touch of luxury to your daily coffee routine. The removable tank feature ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, giving users a hassle-free experience when it comes to keeping their coffee maker in top condition. Whether you're an espresso aficionado or a cappuccino connoisseur, this espresso machine from Mr. Coffee delivers on both taste and convenience.
As an experienced product marketing expert with over a decade in the field, I have meticulously assessed the imusa USA GAO 18202 4-cup espresso cappuccino maker, a powerhouse in the world of coffee machines. The imusa USA GAO 18202 boasts the perfect marriage of form and function. Its sleek black color not only adds elegance to any kitchen countertop, but also complements various interior styles effortlessly. The dimensions of 10.24D into 10.63W into 10.43H make it compact yet substantial, fitting seamlessly into both small and large kitchen spaces. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its convenience-enhancing elements. The removable tank simplifies the refilling process, ensuring minimal hassle and mess. The built-in milk frother takes your beverages to the next level, allowing you to create creamy cappuccinos and lattes with ease. Additionally, the permanent filter not only reduces waste, but also saves you money in the long run. Designed as an espresso machine, the imusa USA.
The Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker by Cafe in Matte White is a sleek and innovative addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With dimensions measuring 7.3 inches in diameter, 12.5 inches in width, and 14 inches in height, this coffee maker combines style and functionality seamlessly. One standout feature of this coffee maker is its app-controlled capabilities, allowing users to conveniently prepare their coffee remotely. The programmable options enable users to customize their brew to their liking, ensuring a perfect cup every time. Equipped with a jug, timer, removable tank, and thermal technology, this drip coffee machine offers a high level of convenience and versatility. The jug allows for easy pouring, the timer ensures your coffee is ready when you are, and the removable tank simplifies the cleaning process. Overall, the Cafe Specialty Drip Coffee Maker is a top choice for those seeking a premium coffee experience at home. Its modern design, array of features, and user-friendly.
The Ninja CFN 601 Espresso and Coffee Barista System combines sleek design with top-notch functionality to elevate your coffee experience. Crafted by Ninja, known for its quality appliances, this barista system in black adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With product dimensions of 12.21D into 9.84W into 14.96H, it's compact enough to fit neatly on your countertop without compromising on performance. One standout feature of this system is its dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a breeze. The 1-inch filter type ensures that your coffee is brewed to perfection, guaranteeing a rich and flavorful taste every time. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just enjoy a good cup of Joe, the Ninja CFN 601 Espresso and Coffee Barista System is designed to meet the needs of everyone. Overall, the Ninja CFN 601 Espresso and Coffee Barista System combines style, convenience, and quality to deliver a superior brewing experience. If you're looking to take your coffee game.
As an espresso aficionado, the DeLonghi Stilosa manual espresso machine stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking quality coffee at home. With a sleek color combination of black and stainless steel, it blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Measuring at 8.07 inches in diameter, 13.5 inches in width, and 11.22 inches in height, this espresso machine is compact yet powerful. Its design allows for easy placement on countertops without occupying too much space. One of the standout features of the DeLonghi Stilosa is its built-in milk frother. Whether you prefer lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos, this machine enables you to create barista-quality frothed milk to complement your espresso shots. As an espresso machine, the DeLonghi Stilosa offers a user-friendly experience. It allows you to experiment with various coffee recipes and tailor each cup to your liking. By mastering the art of espresso making, you can elevate your coffee experience to new heights.
The Hamilton Beach Slide and Lock Espresso Machine in sleek black color is a standout addition to any kitchen, combining style with functionality. With product dimensions of 11.7D into 10.2W into 11.4H, this espresso machine is compact yet powerful, perfect for both small spaces and avid coffee lovers. One of the standout features of this Hamilton Beach espresso machine is its removable tank, allowing for easy cleaning and refilling without the hassle. The inclusion of a cup warmer ensures that your espresso stays at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last, enhancing your overall coffee drinking experience. Moreover, the built-in milk frother adds a touch of luxury to your beverages, whether you prefer a creamy latte or a frothy cappuccino. This special feature sets this espresso machine apart, catering to those who appreciate barista-quality drinks at home.
In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Slide and Lock Espresso Machine in Black is a stylish and functional coffee maker.